All right, in this video, we're going to continue creating our interactive website. So using Google Sites, this time I'm going straight over here to Pixabay because my content needs some custom images or custom videos. And there's some sites we can use that have these free stock videos and images that we can use. So first of all, I'm going to Pixabay because Pixabay has some of the best free videos for us to use within our websites. So here I'm just searching for online safety. Go to the page. It's provided me some videos that I can use. So I'm just scrolling down the page looking at some videos that'll suit the content. And here I found a video that I think will work. And then I'm just looking through the video. I right click the video because we can't use this page. This page isn't the video page. We need the actual video page to put it into our website. So here I'm just going to go to open the video in a new tab, and then double checking it's the video I want. I can then grab the URL at the top. And then once I've grabbed that URL at the top, I can go back to my planning page. And then within the canvas on my planning page, I can paste that URL and say, use this URL or use this video or use this image when you're creating the page. So here I'm typing in to add in the video that I just found on Pixabay. And then checking some of the content, I will copy page 3 like before. I'll go back to a new chat. And then in this new chat, I'm going to ask it to create a interactive HTML page again. I'll go and grab the style, the same style. So I've put in my page 3 content and the style with the URL for the video from Pixabay. So you'll see that it's going to use that video inside of my design. So I can get some videos that I find, some more custom videos. This one's kept the style, got some interactivity, and then you can see on the right hand side here that it's popping in my video. So there's the video. The video wasn't quite the way I wanted. I had to press play, and I wanted it to be like an autoplay video. So here I'm just checking some of the other interactivity, some of the content, and then you'll see I'll go down here to the chat. You can see that I'm numbering in my chat. So I find it good when you're asking for multiple things to happen that you number them so they're different. So the AI doesn't think it's the one long prompt. It's different steps you want the AI to take. So here I just want to ask for the video to be autoplay and looping, and then add some interactivity elements to the page as well. So it'll go and edit those changes. And you see this time when I'm previewing, the video's playing on autoplay and it's looping the video. So we've got the engaging video there. I've added some interactivity down here to the timeline, and it's looking more appropriate. Something I'm doing here is I noticed it's got 2024 down the bottom. And I thought this was a good opportunity to quickly show how you can edit the code. So you don't have to just accept the code. Here I've gone to the code and I've pressed, I'm on a Mac, so Command F, or you press Control F on Windows, and the search bar comes up, the find comes up. And then if you search for specific content within the HTML code, it'll jump to that part of the content. So I searched for 2024, it jumped to 2024. So then I can just start editing the text. I don't have to go searching through the code for that. And then I can personalize the text. So you can do that for any of the content. You can go and change the actual text copy before you copy it over to Google Sites. So here I go back to Google Sites, made a page 3. It's a HTML embed page. We'll embed the code. You can see the video is auto playing. I'll go to preview to check out the interactivity just to make sure it's working. And then as I go down the page, I can see that it's working, the video is working, and I'm ready to go to the next part. So here I'm checking the content for page 4. I thought it'd be good to add in an image, and the image this time, instead of going to Pixabay, I've gone to Unsplash. So Unsplash has some amazing videos that we can, photos we can use. Pixabay also has images, but I thought I'd show you another website here for Unsplash, and I've just searched for online safety again. Looking down the Unsplash page for one of the free images I can use, And this lock one looked good, so I'll click into the lock one, and again you'll see here I right click the image, open it in a new tab. So we don't want the actual, we want the URL for the image, not the URL for the page the image is sitting on. So I'll grab that URL for the image, I'll pop it in there to my page design, I'll copy that, go to a new chat, again ask for an interactive HTML page, put in the learning content, grab the style, put in the style guide, and it'll go and start creating that learning content for me. And this time you'll see, like I asked for, it put in the image as part of the page, and then I can go down and check the content, see if the interactivity is working. It was working fine this time, so I'll copy and paste it. I'll go and create a new page in my Google site, so this time page 4. Paste the copied text, and then I have my preview here. You can see I've got the image at the top, my interactivity is working fine. I've got 4 pages of my learning content done. So I'll continue the same process. So here I'll go through page 5, ask for an interactive HTML page, put in the learning content, the style guide, go and code the page for me, creates the page, check the learning content, check the interactivity, see it's the way I like it, copy the code, go to a Google site, create a new HTML page, put in the learning content, check the learning content is working as expected, and then you can see that in this instance it was working as expected. So we continue to do that for our following pages. So we'll go do page 6, interactive page, learning content, style guide, canvas, check the content and the interactivity. Again, go do some edits if we need to, copy and paste that to a HTML page on Google Sites, and then check the interactivity. And the learning content, we've done the next couple of pages of our interactive website. We added in videos and images through Pixabay and Unsplash. And next video, I'll go over how we can add in not just a quiz, but a way to collect the data from the quiz as well. So check out that one.